Zariah Kruger. We are here at HallOVeen at Opportunity Village in Las Vegas. We're about to go in to see the magical forest. This should be really fun for her. We have a treat trail that we're gonna do, get some candies. There is we have some rides, and we're gonna make some slime. And games. And we got some slime that we're gonna make too, so this should be really fun. I have this weird feeling that we're gonna freak everybody out with these Freddy claws, but we don't care. How's Zariah? All right, let's do it.
Oh, we gotta watch out for them, Aaliyah.
That's right. Ready there.
Our nightmare. Okay, so there's a map in there, and it tells you where all the candy's at.
She won't.
I love this. That's so cool.
Daddy, what is this?
Get my hand going across. We're about to get on the avalanche and slide down with Zariah. She's scared, but I'll hold her, so it shouldn't be any problem.
Hi.
Wow, she won. We knew it. We knew it. Zariah, just wait for Daddy. You're gonna go lap.
Are you ready?
Nope. Not yet. Hold on. Daddy's got to get his feet in there. Yeah? Do they want to race us, Zariah?
Yeah.
Go super fast?
Yeah.
Set.
No! You can't beat us!
He can't beat us! Oh man, they beat us.
Oh.
We want a rematch.
When we grow up, we can do it.
Yes, when we grow up, we can do it.
Yeah, we can ride so fast like a big girl.
Yeah, wait,
Daddy has arrived with the midway token so that we can get our game on. One for Zariah. Two for Zariah. Go ahead and film
Daddy,
it. All right, Zariah, we got to pick $5 dots. Ready? One. All right. 2, 3. Oh man. Pick one. You gotta pick it from inside there. You gotta pick one in there. You like that one? Yeah. Yeah! Oh well, you should get a prize though. Which one do you like, Brian?
Aliens. That one?
That one?
That one?
that one's cute.
There you go.
Thank you.
They're on YouTube.
He just want to watch.
Put it in the back.
We got only one monster.
Good. Okay.
Zariah, how much fun are we having?
3, 2, 1, and blast off.
That's an interesting way to explain how much fun you're having, Zariah. Mwah. All right.
HallOVeen.
Which one is your ball?
You want blue or white?
You want this one? Here, take the blue one. It's lighter. No? Okay. Like this. I'll show you. Here. Okay. And then you can swing it like that. Oh!
Got it.
You ready? Daddy's gonna win this. Wait.
Did you even go?
Yeah. It's the tiebreaker. Let's go. There's the holes right there. Oh. Hey. Hey. Really? Really? All that candy I've been eating, it makes me feel, my stomach feel weird. Can I go to the ambulance? Can I go to the ambulance? Because my stomach's feeling weird. Yeah? Okay, we need to go to the ambulance. Daddy's so sick. He's gonna go in the ambulance?
Daddy, lay down.
Lay down? Okay. What's wrong? I got a sick stomach, doctor. Dr. Freddy. Am I okay?
I'm gonna give you one. You're a junior paramedic.
Oh man, you're a junior paramedic, Zariah. Show mommy a sticker.
Can you see? Can I see it?
Congratulations.
Say thank you.
Oh.
Hi, welcome to Slime Lab. Hi. Grab one container of... I have to take right now.
Step one, grab one container of snail goop and one stick to stir. All right, Zariah. Grab one stick. Snow of the Wizard Mountains to your snail goop.
You want to mix
Stir
it
until it sticks. Add a pinch of magic dust. Which one? What color? You know your colors. What color is that? Green. Okay.
Wow.
Want to mix it a little bit? And then step 4 is cool your slime by mixing with witch's tears. Okay.
Are you ready? Oh yeah. Wait till you see this.
Slime. Slime.
I'm gonna go see this. And there's Liz over there.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, bud.
Woohoo, that was fun.
I'm assuming that is so cool.
Wow, that was cool. Now you can take it home and show everybody. Right? Yellow or orange?
Hold it.
Yellow or orange?
Hold it.
Want me to do it?
Knock, knock, it's Freddy.
Go close to it. Go close.
Okay, which?
Scratch him? Thank you.
Thank
Right.
Those are
I like that. That's like a scarecrow pumpkin. I like that.
No, scratch him.
Scratch him? Really, that's our new goal. Our goal for today is to see how many Halloween creatures we can scratch with Freddy's claw.
When you see spiders, you have
Let me
to
see
scratch.
another one.
Hey, look over here. There's a cloud.
Driving the car.
That's a spider.
Oh, I didn't even see it. Did I get
got
him?
it. Yeah.
Daddy, let's find some more spiders.
Yeah, there's more spiders somewhere. We'll find it.
Yeah. Find it, spider. Ah!
There's one. Oh, I got it.
Look. Over there.
I got it.
Spider. Spider. Thank you.
Daddy Freddy got him.
Thumbs up. Good job.
It's very strange to me.
He's my best friend.
Dad.
Oh, is he moving?
Gingerbread house with a spider. Gingerbread
You
dad!
better.
Dad, look behind you. Look behind you, Dad. Daddy, look behind you. That's what.
I don't see a spider.
Dad, see, look at these spiders. It's getting creepy. It's getting creepy, Dad. Ah!
Whoa.
Got him, didn't we?
Told me what to do.
Freddy Krueger. Oh, that is so cool.
I want to go in.
You sure?
Yeah.
I feel like that's a little extreme for you, but if you say so.
I like small spaces. Is that scary? You're gonna be in a coffin. Are you gonna be you're gonna be a vampire.
I'm gonna be a vampire.
Yeah.
That's right. You sure you want to get in?
Do you want to be on that side or this side?
Curling up.
How you doing?
She's curling up.
Right then, let's get this one in the hearse. On three.
Smile. Smile. Look.
1, 2.
Go on, just go. Out. It's okay, baby. Here, lay on Daddy's shoulder. Where are they taking us, Zariah? We're in here. We're alive. Smile, baby. Oh my God. Where are they driving us, Zariah? We're in here. Help, say help. Help, we're in here. Bang on here. Help, we're in here. What are you doing?
It's just dropping in.
Okay, when we get...
That's your answer?
You're cheating!
Light on! You're cheating! Get a light!
There's a little baby in there.
Cheater!
Alright, you go to the car.
No, I'm not scared. I told you.
You told me you're not scared?
No.
I don't know how many Freddy Krueger babies can say that they were in a coffin and in an ambulance with their daddy in one night. That was super fun, huh? You was not scared. She was a big girl. She's a big girl. This is what she does for a living. It's nothing. It's nothing. She lives that horror life. Here. The coffin was talking to us because someone was driving us away and we didn't know where we were going.
Oh!
What's going on? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for additional content. And if you enjoyed our video, please like and comment below.
One, two, cheese! Oh, that was nice. Okay, come on. Say bye, Mickey.